Do you hate spending your time doing chores? Wouldn't life be a lot easier if we had machines to do all the tedious work for us, so we'd be more productive? Well, technology does have a solution for most of our problems. If innovative novel gadgets fascinate you, you're in for a ride, because these devices are sure to leave you impressed. From portable washing machines that you can use to wash clothes anywhere, to devices that allow you to see behind your walls, we have gadgets that will ease your life in all kinds of ways. It's mind-blowing how many of these creations wouldn't have been thinkable a couple of years ago. Better stick with us till the end, because device number 1 will make you believe we're indeed living in the future. Number 10. FOLDIMATE. Laundry folding can be quite a nuisance. Who even has time for it in this day and age? But don't worry, because FOLDIMATE is your go-to solution. Using this innovative gadget, you can fold a full laundry load in less time than it would take for you to brew a cup of coffee. It's super efficient and consumes 110 volts to 240 volts of power, which is estimated as low. FOLDIMATE also offers ergonomically designed clipping technology, enabling easy and fast clipping of each item. Its automatic folding features are pretty smart and adjust the folding according to each article. It's time to organize your closet for easy access to all your clothes, the way you've always wanted. Number 9. KICK-VAC. Light up your house with the most creatively designed lamp on the market. KICK-VAC is a speech-enabled light and an open-source intelligent home hub that's sure to add a unique touch to your living room. It's not just a stylish, aesthetic piece of furniture though, because KICK-VAC's ambient notifications will let you stay up to date without being distracted by screens. It also adapts to the natural rhythms of our bodies, promoting better light quality and healthier living. Our body's natural rhythms react to different properties and colors of light. KICK-VAC is the ideal modern-day solution to ensure your body obtains optimal light quality. Moreover, the quality materials used and the local manufacturing give KICK-VAC an edge, setting it apart from regular home technology devices. If there's one bulb your house needs, it's KICK-VAC. Number 8. TERTILL. Are you looking for a quick and efficient way to weed? TERTILL to the rescue. It's a garden weeding robot with specially crafted wheels that will churn up the top layer of soil and ensure that the weeds do not sprout. If any weeds manage to grow, TERTILL chops them down with its string trimmer like it's no big deal. This weeding robot is the ultimate solution for saving time and energy that you'd spend hand weeding, and it's even more effective. Say goodbye to the struggles of spraying chemicals, plastic sheeting, or spending hours on your hands and knees to control weeds. TERTILL is entirely solar powered. It lives in your garden and weeds for 1 to 2 hours every day. The best part is, it's also waterproof, so you don't have to worry about bringing TERTILL in when it rains. Number 7. SMARTDUVET. If you're struggling with irregular or uncomfortable sleep patterns, SMARTDUVET is a gadget that you need to check. With this incredible technology, you can convert your existing bed into a dual zone, climate-controlled, self-making bed. You don't even need to buy anything. SMARTDUVET allows you to use your current bedding. Sleeping in perfect comfort every night without having to worry about making the bed in the morning sounds like an exciting idea. And with SMARTDUVET, you can turn it into reality. It's the perfect addition to your smart home. The latest innovation in the bedroom will change your bed-making habits forever. It also provides you with the right temperature for a perfect night's sleep. Time to start sleeping like a baby again. Number 6. My Critter Catcher. Insects can be a real annoyance in the house, and catching them can be pretty challenging. My Critter Catcher solves that problem for you. It's a product that picks up all types of insects without harming them. All you have to do is squeeze the handle to open the bristles. Point the bristles over at the insect and release the hold. The catcher will momentarily hold the insect, and you can remove it by squeezing the handle again. Getting rid of insects is that easy. My Critter Catcher makes sure to protect your home from uninvited insects without leaving any mess. The gadget is simple, yet effective. It doesn't use any harmful chemicals or expensive batteries, but manages to get the job done. Number 5. DRUMI. water, and even detergent using it. Number 4. KICK-VAC. The SWEEPOVAC. Clean up your house and eliminate all the dust within seconds using SWEEPOVAC's fantastic new technology. You no longer need to worry about guests arriving with an hour's notice. With this incredible gadget, your house would be shiny and presentable before you know it. This simple and powerful vacuum is always going to be available to suck away floor sweepings. It'll undoubtedly make your life easier, and you'll never have to use a dustpan again. The gadget offers an exceptional 15 kPa of suction and is the undisputed leader in power output. Moreover, it provides a 650 watt motor, a flexible hose that extends from 6 feet to 18 feet, and a selection of attachments. These attachable tools make it easier to vacuum out drawers and places that would be awkward to reach without help. SWEEPOVAC is a must-have in your kitchen. Number 3. BIEM Butter Sprayer. Butter toast and use half as much butter with a gadget that'll change your breakfast habits forever. BIEM brings you a butter sprayer that uses no flammable or artificial ingredients. You'll enjoy perfectly grilled cheese sandwiches, buttered vegetables, and perfect garlic bread, all while ensuring minimal waste of butter. The device features no chemical or artificial propellants. It works solely based on heat and air, so you don't have to worry about safety. You can store the sprayer in the refrigerator or on the counter. There's no question that this method is faster and more efficient than using a knife. Also, unlike a stove or a microwave, the sprayer does not overheat the butter, so it doesn't melt. It's handy, easy to use, quick to clean, features an automatic shutoff system, and it comes with a patent-pending nozzle designed to ensure minimal clogging. Number 2. WALABOT. Do you wish you could see behind your walls to detect broken wires or find a place on the wall that's suitable to hammer? Consider buying WALABOT, a gadget that attaches to your Android phone and sends out an image of what it sees behind your walls. It sounds pretty futuristic, but the device exists and is ready to use. On your phone screen, you'd get a display of wires, stud, pipes, and even bugs. Just about anything you'd find behind an actual wall. It's compact and handy, with one side containing a magnet to connect to your phone. The other side is flat, and you'd use it to run the gadget across your walls. This way, you'd be able to detect and get an instant display of what's behind any wall in your house. The packaging comes with a DIY sensor, a USB cable, a magnetic disc, a protective sheet, and a manual. You can't go wrong with a device this cool. Number 1. LOOMO Mini. We're indeed living in the future, and LOOMO Mini is proof enough. This incredible gadget is an advanced personal robot based on an AI system that works as a self-balancing electric transporter. LOOMO will offer you an effortless riding experience across various rugged terrains. You'd be able to travel up to 22 miles in a single charge. It contains Intel RealSense camera for precision and clarity, allowing high-definition 1080p captures, 3D perception, accurate depth sensing, obstacle avoidance, and many more spectacular features. It's the future of smart personal mobility. A couple of years ago, we couldn't have imagined such a remarkable innovation, so it's impressive how far science and technology have come. Alright, comment below which of these gadgets you need in your life. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.